Alright guys, so this is my 2014 S60 T5. I'm trying to record that sound that we're talking about. Once you turn it off, it makes like an electrical knocking sound. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to reenact that. Hopefully my camera or my phone doesn't fall off. It's on the hood. So here we go. So not sure if you were able to hear it, but yeah, I don't know. I think it's coming from this side, or I'm not sure if it's coming from over there. But yeah, definitely there's a knocking. It's like a knocking sound. Well, thank you.